Imagine a world without smartphones, video games, or even electric lights. Hard to picture, right? That's the power of electronics. These gadgets, big and small, rely on the tiniest particles, electrons, to work their magic. Think about your favorite video game. Stunning graphics, immersive sound. It all comes alive thanks to the lightning-fast movement of electrons within the console. It's like an invisible world bustling with energy, making our modern lives possible. But how does it all work? Let's dive in and explore the fascinating world of electronics. Everything around us is made of atoms. These tiny building blocks contain even tinier particles called electrons. Electrons are always on the move, buzzing around the atom's center like tiny planets orbiting a sun. Now here's the key. Electrons carry a negative charge. This means they're attracted to positive charges and repelled by negative ones. It's like a game of tag where opposites attract. This fundamental force of nature, the attraction and repulsion of charges, is the driving force behind all electronics. By controlling the flow of electrons, we can power everything from tiny LEDs to massive computers. Pretty cool, right? So how do we control these tiny particles? Enter the world of circuits. Imagine a racetrack for electrons. That's what a circuit is. It's a closed loop made of conductive materials like copper wires. Electrons zoom through these conductive pathways, carrying energy with them. Think of it like water flowing through a pipe. The water needs pressure to move, and electrons need voltage. Just like we can control the flow of water with a valve, we use components like switches and resistors to direct and manage the flow of electrons in a circuit. This controlled flow of electrons is what powers our devices. Now let's talk about transistors. These tiny components are the superheroes of the electronics world. A transistor is like a tiny gatekeeper that can control the flow of electrons, switching them on or off or amplifying their flow. Imagine a garden hose with a nozzle. You can control the amount of water flowing out by adjusting the nozzle. Transistors work similarly, regulating the flow of electrons in a circuit. Millions, even billions of transistors are packed onto tiny chips called integrated circuits, or ICs. These ICs are the brains of our smartphones, computers, and countless other electronic devices. Thanks to these incredible inventions, we carry immense computing power in our pockets with smartphones. We can access information from around the globe in an instant, connect with loved ones far away, and even explore the universe from the palm of our hands. And it's not just smartphones. Electronics are everywhere in our homes, cars, hospitals, and even in space. From life-saving medical equipment to self-driving cars, electronics are rapidly changing the world around us. The future holds even more exciting possibilities. But how did we get from simple circuits to these incredible technological marvels? Let's find out. The world of electronics is constantly evolving. Scientists and engineers are pushing the boundaries of what's possible, shrinking components further and developing new technologies that sound like science fiction. Imagine flexible phones that fold up like paper, tiny sensors implanted in our bodies to monitor our health, or even computers powered by our thoughts. The possibilities are truly limitless. As we continue to explore the vast potential of electronics, one thing is certain. The future is electric, and it's going to be amazing.